Okay, so today we're going to go over how to change metric numbers into other metric numbers. This is sometimes called the step method. You'll sometimes see it just called the King-Henry method, but it works best with the mnemonic King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, which for our actual units are kilo, hecto, deca, base unit, which for us is grams, meters, and liters, deci, centi, milli. Now luckily this is a pretty easy system. For example, let's say I started out with 6.98 meters and I wanted to change it into centimeters. So the first thing I do always is write out what you start with. This will make it easier to move the decimal from side to side. Then we're on meters right there, so that starts us at the base unit, and let's say we want to go to centimeters. So we count ourselves over, and that is 1, 2 to the right in order to get to centimeters. So that means we take this decimal point and we move it 1, 2 to the right, and if we rewrite that, that is 698 centimeters. Well, let's say we didn't want to go to centimeters and instead we wanted to go to kilometers. What we would do then is we'd actually count the other direction. Again, we would write down what we start with, 6.98 meters, but instead we go from base unit 1, 2, 3 to the left. So I take this decimal point and I go 1, 2, 3 to the left. There's my decimal. Any empty spaces get filled with zeros. So I end up with 0.00698 kilometers. And this will work for any of the metric to metric conversions. Because remember, metric to metric is simply everything's a difference of 10. 10 higher or 10 lower. And dividing by 10 or multiplying by 10 just moves the decimal. So all we have to be able to do is move the decimal. And that's pretty much it for metric to metric.